ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan Snem bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingtip bakam benya kol hai kini ke number harum. Kajung pas bah jung Graham Bell Carmendai ukena puli jung Sing Gabriel Higher Secondary School apa Shillong ban poi ha kedan ke banyo ha ke top 20 jung result secondary school living certificate belapen mana dekat Meghalaya Board of School Education ha ka pusau ter ujumang arajar pusau kelapen phomut phomat di board penya school bat khamtam yikin hin kai jong kan school ka principal jong kan school ka sister Hazel Rambai bakino hi kai kelapen pau bu Graham Bell Carmendai udu kena bejminat bah ha ke jung puli bat dai ke jminat ke jong u ke belapen long ni u ban poi sha ke ni ke Kyrdan.
Thôi exam tu lah masih yang masih baik. Tambah ini pas untuk function tambah penting dan pelapor kerek mau apa? Jadi kerek tu kan? Aku mau beli rumah tu kan? Mar belum tak nama ban. Masih kerek tu kan? Yang sedang tu tak pengasang. Ada jenis yang kerek yang tambah kau itu kerek bahan miat. Mesti tak dulu sama. Apa kan panok sah? Infant.
Hadien.
Fizik. Kemudian kolong dokter. Ada kerang lagi MBS dan berasta. Social media. Di banyak yang sampai we kerja opportunity semua. Marba nak menkena future apa. Pang pangan bisa keli jebab mah ada keli cengkelingan isi jebab kita dan untuk astang kuliah ikut hidup na bar school sebang kuliah kalau baru bisa pentit kat aim tu ban kuliah dan untuk sebang novel sam dah itu dah tambah lagi ai ngasih free kira kapten saya free psychological book ra nomor ba psikologi yang important banget, nama kerja itu kan mentoy. Wajah bah recommend we kena pulih kali mindful numbers.
Mindful
numbers.
Mindful numbers. Kada Jepang kai.
Jepang psikologi bah patai kumno ban you, ban kerja ban interpret dia knowledge beyond school AI apa. Gimana mau machine Gabriel. Bagaimana ban ban simple and then baru mlah ada in common standing ba yang bagi di ban camp group ayu ka business kada pedang admi St. Anthony for that month sampai cepat pan.
My message to the students ki bangsa le kini ki board exam in future nga kwa ban ong ba phin long klet lut yakini ki jing sha pen thami jong ka parthai ki rong phong jong ka parthai kini ki influence jong ki social media ki ba pher kumbangi imenta ki long so involved so into kini baru kini ki Instagram ki ngamong ba kisniu dadang inang man penunkam kabha ngatharai uni Graham Bell bayu 7 position mentah ka stiru ngam umdei uba long so ignorant about that but then he knows how to divide his time long discipline. He is leading a disciplined life. He knows about everything that is happenings in the world, but he knows exactly what he's supposed to do as a student. Kawai kapanong self-discipline, self-knowledge is very important. But nga kentui ki make paru bakin I proper guidance ki kon tila jong nang ba nginyo buon ki khna ki pandang thaba phalang ku Graham Bell.
2 years and then 3 years and then 4th year. This is the 4th year, I think. In the past also, but I don't remember. Then we are very proud of our students and they are especially these present batch. I'm very happy with them. They are hardworking, and even we, the teachers, we put a heart and soul to help them so that they will get through in this board exams. And especially today, I'm very proud about Graham Bell. He brought laurels to a school, okay, and he was the only students who dedicate his time during the free time. He never wastes his time here and there, but he will open any kind of books that he would like to read. So we are very proud of him today. At least from the 15th position, we are in the 7th position today. So we are very proud of him, and the school and the teachers, we are very proud of him. Not only him, and all the students in the schools, especially this batch who appeared last year. They are well dedicated, they are hardworking, okay? And you know, our students here in the schools, they are, to compare with the other schools in the town, they are different. No, they have got many of them, they have got with their own problems. So we used to help with the problems, okay? And we, the teachers, also, because many of them, they cannot afford to go to tuition, no? But we took extra classes. And every Saturday from 9 to 12, we used to take extra classes, especially during in my subjects, no, health education. So I make my effort to work for them, because after so many years of service, I want at least 1 year I will get a goal. So this is the goal that we're getting today. And one student, he got 100 in health education this year. Last year, 6 of them, but this year only 1. Maybe they are missing here and there. Thank you.
Ya ai mensim deh ikiwei pada kena ru bar kumju kham taming kino hikai ru kanang yarap ke yang ni banginang lang ban kham trei kham shitom shu ma ban kham ai shu ka jing yarap hi kena ke jong ni nanta ka nu galong ke jing so komen ru nama ba ha kitu kipor ba men swaru na juyo hi ha po ka list taba kilong to top 20, last year you had top 15, but this year it has been lifted up. No, kam shisho naka 15 la one chaka 7th position. Tingi ai jing kublei ru Graham Bell hi long khana ba very sincere do kata tahu long ba sincere balong particular mo haki ba ule hadu ha class ada udan kanu gajing arta tindu umju shakti man kili te na kinoni kai to ka jing long gajong em pe rap yang kai kham la ban kham le ba shu na du dang red hiu la don ka tu ka qualities ke jong tingi don ke jing kermen du men tau Snem am taba wala ka taru ting mo nila ban tip ndeng ibah tu ka jing ka sing bole exam du udan ke tu ka ju ka jing long jing em ka jing long minot ke jong tingi kit bok ke biang mo ya Graham Bell wanang kiu shu prang ba kalong shisha ke inspiration kiwi pa ki kena sekolah sing Gabriel bawan ra kan kanau dan ting la yo shwa la kham Snem hi mo ya kata tingam da kan mau bhai di Snem mo tang baka kila judan gi kena bi yo gi top 10 bun hati sen ki bangun shwaro but exactly ki year tengam la ban kan mau ke ba kat tu ni ai kat tu ki kena ki yo ka jing toy ba ki wan ra so biang babang ba tiang pe sing ba kalong kan push shu ni ne nang trish tom shu bangin long tumo ban ai ki jing hikai ki jong ni ki ba ya dei mo kat kun ga juk kun taru ga juk kalai per shibun hikai kam ya dei shu te ka jing long ju ki kena hi te la per shba palat dei ngila pa de ban ong ru ba kidang don hi pada ki kena hi ken ki ba don ni ke jing thrang la dia wat la da ka don ke jing penwet kat ni ke distraction mo ling ba ki ni ki technology ni la ban jer ka teng ba bun ni ki tu ki kena hi ba don ke determination mdan bala ban khang la ya ki ni ka jing kwa ke jong kena ba don jing mod mdan ke jing bet ai ru em ki bala ban khang la kata ni ken ya